I literally have no idea what I'm doing right now, so like... What's going on, guys? It's Sqxash here, back with another video. Today, we're playing a little bit of, what's this game called again? World of Warships. We're playing World of Warships. And basically, I just saw this game on Steam, and I was just like, oh, it looks cool, let's try and play. But it didn't give me a tutorial, and I'm just thrown straight into this, so I don't know what I'm doing, so we're just gonna experience this together. So, if you like what you're seeing, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, and one more time, I just have to say thank you all for 100 subscribers. It truly means a lot. The thank you video for that is out. Go watch that video. The giveaway will be soon. It will be in early 2020. The giveaway will be a $15 or $20 gift card to any store that you want, or just $20 in cash if you'd like that. And yeah, let's get started. Yo, I'm on a boat, dude. Wait, how do I? Okay, that's map. I'm guessing this is enemy base. I gotta get this somehow. I don't know what I'm doing. This music is really, like, unsettling. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, can we go now?
Action stations.
Oh, okay. You just spam W. Well, to get your engine started. So, I think this is a strategy game. Basically, you have to, like, take out enemy bases and sink enemy warships, if I'm correct. I think. We can set waypoints.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Oh, that's cool. We can. Oh, that's cool. We can set multiple waypoints. Yeah. Let's. Oh, I think it said something about autopilot. So. Oh yeah, it's steering by itself. Okay, this I can get down with this game.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Oh, let's say zoom in. I heard my radio guy say there's enemy forces. I don't see nothing. It's hectic.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh god. Oh. Did it hit him? I think I missed. Okay, what about that one? No, I'm missing. I need it. Oh god, he's turning. That's a hit. That's gotta be a hit. What? Dude, I don't know how to kill it.
Autopilot mode disabled.
I think that hit him. It made a weird noise. Shoot! Stupid gun! How did I miss? Oh, I hit him. I'm scared. I'm just gonna like try and turn around. I'm getting a little lag right now. I'm not sure why. What is my boat doing?
What the dog doing?
Stop. Ooh! I think I did that.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
I think I did that. I think I sunk that ship though. That was epic. Oh, I hit that. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm doing and I'm on a ledge. Shoot! I hit that. They have 3 ships. They seem to all be over this way, trying to circulate all over here. They're trying to capture. So we're gonna get. Oh, they took that guy out. So.
Our victory is.
And we got 3 guys over here, so we're gonna try to take out these 2. I'm guessing. I don't know any of the strategy for this game, so like, I kind of need to avoid this thing. Nope, I just hit that. See if I can hit this. Did I hit that? I hit that. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn left. What is my boat doing? I hit that. I set him on fire. I hit him again. He's heading this way.
Our victory is in sight.
How did that miss? I have no idea what I'm doing. I keep missing. Can't aim for this. That hit. It's going to hide. Oh, we got him surrounded. This is easy win. Oh, yes, sir. Did we win? Oh, we won. Well, that was some epic music. Wow. That was interesting. But fun nonetheless. Let's do one more game. You know what? That's gonna do it for this video. That was a good one game. You know, I'm just gonna leave it at that. But yeah, if you like what you're seeing, be sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment on what you want me to see, what you want to see. But yeah, it's for now. It's been Sqxash, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Yeah, have a good one.